Traditionally, processors were designed as a single piece of silicon. Everything cores, cache, memory controllers, and input-output logic was built into one large chip, often called a monolithic design. This worked well for many years, but as chips became more complex, the limitations of this approach started to become clear. The first problem is manufacturing difficulty. Modern chips are built using extremely advanced processes measured in nanometers. As the size of a chip increases, the chances of defects during manufacturing also increase. A single defect in a large chip can make the entire chip unusable. This reduces yield, which means fewer working chips per wafer, and that directly increases cost. Chiplets address this problem by breaking a large chip into smaller pieces. Instead of building one big processor, manufacturers design multiple smaller chips, each responsible for a specific function. These smaller pieces are called chiplets. They are then connected together inside a single package to function as one complete processor. This approach improves manufacturing efficiency. Smaller chips are easier to produce with higher yields because there is less surface area for defects to occur. Even if one chiplet fails, it does not affect the entire system in the same way a defect would ruin a monolithic chip. This makes production more cost-effective. Another advantage is flexibility in design. In a monolithic chip, every part must be built using the same manufacturing process. With chiplets, different parts of the processor can be built using different technologies. For example, high-performance cores can be built using the most advanced and expensive process, while less critical components, like input-output controllers, can use older, more cost-efficient processes. This mix-and-match capability allows companies to optimize both performance and cost. Instead of spending the highest manufacturing cost on every part of the chip, they can focus advanced technology only where it matters most. One of the companies that pushed chiplets into mainstream use is AMD. Their Ryzen and EPYC processors use chiplet-based designs where multiple small compute units are connected together to form a powerful processor. This allowed AMD to scale performance more efficiently while keeping costs under control. On the other hand, Intel initially relied more on monolithic designs, but has also moved toward chiplets in recent years. Their newer architectures are adopting similar strategies to stay competitive, especially as chip complexity continues to grow. The key technology that makes chiplets possible is advanced packaging. Once chiplets are manufactured, they need to be connected in a way that allows them to communicate quickly and efficiently. This is done using high-speed interconnects inside the package. These interconnects are critical. If communication between chiplets is slow, the performance advantage is lost. Modern packaging technologies allow data to move between chiplets at very high speeds, making the system behave almost like a single chip. One example of this is the Infinity Fabric used by AMD. It connects different chiplets and allows them to share data efficiently. Similar technologies are being developed across the industry as chiplet design becomes more common. Another important aspect is scalability. With chiplets, adding more performance does not always require designing a completely new chip. Instead, companies can add more chiplets to increase processing power. This makes it easier to scale products across different performance levels. For example, a company can use the same basic chiplet design to create different products. A lower-end processor might use fewer chiplets, while a high-end server processor might combine many of them. This reduces design complexity and speeds up product development. Chiplets also play a major role in data centers and AI systems. Large AI workloads require massive computing power, and chiplets allow manufacturers to build processors that can scale more efficiently. Instead of hitting the limits of a single chip, they can distribute workloads across multiple chiplets within the same package. However, chiplets are not a perfect solution. There are challenges involved. One of the main challenges is communication overhead. Even with advanced interconnects, data transfer between chiplets is still more complex than communication within a single chip. Engineers must carefully design these connections to minimize delays and ensure consistent performance. Another challenge is software optimization. The operating system and applications must be aware of how resources are distributed across chiplets. efficient scheduling and memory management become more important to fully utilize the architecture. Thermal management is also more complex. Multiple chiplets packed together can generate heat in concentrated areas. Managing this heat effectively is essential to maintain performance and reliability. Despite these challenges, the benefits of chiplets are significant enough that the industry is moving in this direction. Another important player in this space is TSMC, which provides advanced packaging technologies that enable chiplet-based designs. Their innovations allow different chiplets to be integrated more closely, improving performance and efficiency. Looking ahead, chiplets are expected to become even more advanced. Future designs may involve stacking chiplets vertically, not just placing them side by side. This is known as 3D integration. It allows even shorter distances between components, which can further improve speed and efficiency. Chiplets also open the door for a more modular ecosystem. In the future, different companies could design specialized chiplets that can be combined into a single system. This would be similar to how components are used in traditional computing systems, but at a much smaller scale. In simple terms, chiplets change how processors are built. Instead of relying on one large complex piece of silicon, they use multiple smaller pieces working together. This improves manufacturing efficiency, reduces cost, and allows for more flexible and scalable designs. The shift toward chiplets is not just a technical improvement. It is a response to the physical and economic limits of traditional chip design. As chips become more advanced, it is no longer practical to build everything as a single unit. Chiplets provide a way to continue improving performance without relying solely on shrinking transistors. They represent a different approach to scaling, one that focuses on architecture and integration rather than just size reduction. This is why chiplets are often described as the future of processor design. They do not replace existing technology entirely, but they change how that technology is used. And as computing demands continue to grow, this approach is becoming increasingly important.